The shape of this paved area in here is really quite tricky. It's a very fluid and sort of funky shape, and the construction team would like to have some set out points. So to do that, under Tools, you have a point marker command. So we can select point marker. We're asked to input a point, or D to delete a point if necessary. So I'll put a point on the edge there, and this will be PT12. And we're asked, let's zoom in a little, we're asked to put the text marker, and the final point will pop one around there, PT13, and enter, and put our piece of text in, and we're done. You can tweak things, of course, by picking the text and moving text away to make it look a little neater. You could change the type of point marker mode and the size of the point marker mode. Let's just do that. Format point styles, and we'll say our point marker is going to be a circle with a cross through it. You can see it's changed its shape. So at this point, and remember we're on a layer called Set Out Points, I'll change my style to maybe standard for the moment. And what we want to do now is to generate a point schedule. This point down here is 0, 0. You may remember a long time ago we started, but just to illustrate, L for line 0, 0. And all of these points in the point table that we're going to generate are going to be related to that point, which will give the construction team a set out point to enable them to make this shape. They might even want extra points along these lines to get the right sort of channel and channel width within the paving area. But suffice to say, we'll just get a point schedule for the outer zone. So it's Tools and Point Table, and this will be drawn with whatever is the current text style. So we click, and we get a list of point names, the X and Y locations. So point number 1 will be a certain distance along in the X and up in the Y. So it's 1067 that way, and 209, is it 209.1 to go in the Y. So any construction team can accurately locate that point. You might argue that I didn't set the point as accurately as I might have done, but for the purposes of this demonstration, that's fine. So we have a set out point table for this particular design.